Hey. I'm so bored today. You know what would be hilarious? Making a fake emergency alert system broadcast. I'll scare everyone in town, and they'll have no idea it's me. This is a test of the emergency alert system. Oh wait, it's not a test. There's a fake zombie apocalypse. This is going to be legendary. This is not a test. A zombie outbreak has been detected in your area. Please stay indoors and avoid all contact with infected individuals.
What in the world? A zombie outbreak.
Oh my gosh, what do we do? I don't want to get eaten by zombies.
Ha 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 ha. They're totally freaking out. This is the best prank ever.
Classic Caillou. What did you do?
Nothing, Dad. Just doing homework.
Classic Caillou. Did you seriously make a fake emergency alert system broadcast?
Maybe?
Do you realize how illegal and dangerous this is? People could panic and get hurt. And now the police are here.
Young man, creating a fake emergency alert is a federal crime. You're under arrest for causing public panic and misuse of communication systems.
But it was just a joke.
A joke that could have caused serious harm. You'll explain it to the judge.
Classic Caillou is going to be grounded for life once he's out of jail.
I just hope he learns his lesson. So, no zombies? Of course not. Sweetie.
Worst prank ever. Washington. Hey.